Close CRM tutorial, how to use Close CRM. Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can improve your overall customer relationship management with Close CRM. This is built specifically for smaller businesses to be able to scale up and to build fast, automated, and focused relationships. So let's get started. To get started, simply head on over to close.com, and once you are on close.com, click on Try for Free on the top right. Once you do that, you will be able to sign up. So you're just going to add your first name, you're going to add your last name, and then just proceed with your email address over here. Once you do that, click on Continue and create a suitable password for your account, like so. And then you're going to start your free trial. Once you click on Start Your Free Trial, you will be able to proceed and you can connect to your Gmail account, or you can do this later. I'm going to just connect to my Google account over here to make this process quicker. Once I've done that, I'm just going to select all, and this allows the CRM tool to send out emails to my customers, to any ticketing systems that we are going to build, and manage things easily. After that, you can proceed with more information. So let's say we want to add this information, and then we're just going to add LinkedIn. And then after that, you're going to select a couple of options and then click on Next. Once you do that, you're going to complete your information about the company that you're setting up. So let's say my business is called Spencer, and then you're going to add the website if you have one. So let's say this is going to be our Shopify, or I'm just going to open up my Shopify store and I'm going to add the link for our Shopify store for our particular business. It's just going to take a couple of seconds for this to be opened up. And now I can copy the link, and then I'm going to paste in the website link and add the company size. Once you do that, you're going to add how big your sales team is. So let's say it's 2 to 10 people. Then you can add your industry. So this is going to be e-commerce, and then you're going to add where your leads are currently. So if you're already using a CRM tool or not. Let's say that I don't have any leads yet, and we're just going to click on Next. Once you click on Next, you're going to configure your inbox, which is your Gmail account. So we're just going to configure this over here. And it's going to take a little bit of time for the CRM tool to sync up with your mailbox. This is going to analyze any of your recent mails to find any leads that it does have that you might have in your Gmail account. So you can find them over here. Now, once it has completed analyzing your inbox, you can see they have found some potential leads. Let's say I want to add this as a potential lead, and then I'm just going to click on Finish Setup. Once you do that, you can add a couple of leads and proceed on to the Close CRM dashboard. Now, in your dashboard, on the top left, you're going to see your inbox. Then you will have done and future leads. Then you have your opportunities. This includes a pipeline and then a list of opportunities that you have. The pipeline allows you to see what stage every particular lead is in. Then you have a lead section. And then you have a contact section, which means any of your current business partners, so people that you're already working with, people that are already purchasing from you. Then you have workflows. Workflows allow you to make step-by-step, SOPs and guided processes of contacting your potential contacts or leads. Then you have any conversations, history, live calls, and reporting functions within the CRM. On the left, you can build specific views that are going to help you in filtering out any type of specific information that you are looking for. Then on the bottom left, you have integrations. So if you are already using any of these tools that are going to help you in communication, you can integrate those over here as well. This includes things like schedulers, video conferencing, Zapier, and other data hosting tools. Then you have your general settings. Now, in your settings, you can see custom objects and custom fields. In custom fields, you can add particular fields that might be relevant to your industry. So if you have anything that is customized within contacts, opportunities, you can add that over here. This is going to vary from industry to industry, so it's really something that you should add that is going to be related to your industry. Then on the top left, let's get started with adding our first lead. So on the top right of your leads panel, you can add the company name of the lead. Additionally, you can also go on ahead and click on export to export your pre-existing data. And you can also send out bulk emails. We're going to click on the add icon and add our first lead. If you already have your leads and data in a file or any type of tool, you can click on import leads and data and import those directly from Excel, from another CRM, or from a CSV file. We're going to add our leads manually. So let's say this is going to be Durden, and the contact name for this business is going to be Allison. Then we're going to click on create lead. Once we have this lead, we can proceed with the title of this particular deal. You can even click on generate summary, and this will create a summary for the entire business transaction that you have had with this particular business. Then you can also add what type of lead this is. If this is a potential lead, if this is qualified, customer, interested, not interested, or canceled. If there are other categorizations that do apply to your particular industry, click on customize over here and add those specific statuses and pipelines. Now we're going to proceed with the rest of our setup. So over here, once we have created this particular lead with a contact, we can add our relevant email activity, calls, and other information bits. So from here, you can click on opportunities. And let's say we have sent out a proposal, and let's say we've already done this, and our confidence is around 60%. And let's say the proposal that we sent out is worth around 100K. We're going to add that, and we're going to add the value of our deal, and then the contact person, and the user, and any notes you want to add, then any custom fields to this opportunity. So if a particular product is related to this opportunity, let's say we're looking to do wholesale with them and we're sending out our product, you can add that. If there's a contract link, a renewal date, you can add that over here and then click on save. Then in your particular opportunity pipeline, you will be able to find that deal is added, and you can send it out and you can categorize it. And once it has either been won or lost, you can move it down over here to won or lost. And then in the list section, you would be able to get a simple list version with a summary on top with the total number of opportunities, value, and expected value. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with Close CRM. The best part about using Close CRM is that you have a 14-day free trial, and then after that, you are able to get started for $59 on their monthly billing and $49 on their annual billing. This allows you to do one spot to manage your accounts, contacts, and opportunities. You have built-in calling, texting, and email solutions, a centralized inbox, and pipelines. And their professional version at $99 has custom activities that you can set up. You can store call recordings for up to 30 days, and you also can create multiple pipeline views and automate workflows and set up reminders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.